Hi everyone, welcome to AA Steam series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sprite, animate it, and animate other sprites. So first, let's go to create to start off this video. Yay! And as always, we have the cat. Okay, so now that's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna take the cat and animate it. So first, before you start animating, let's see this. Go to Costumes tab, which is up here. And as you can see, it has more than one costume. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And you can delete it, you can flip it, and you can flip like this, but we don't care about that right now. All we need to do is look at the costumes. And as you can see, this one is where one foot right here is down. And this one, it's up. So it's practically like animating. So you see that this foot is up. So this should always be the second slide. So it's the first one, then second one. So this also helps you out. Costume 1 and costume 2. So look, it's almost there. Okay, now let's go back to the code. Okay, so first, now that we saw the costumes, let's go to events and bring out a when green flag clicked or when space key pressed or when space key pressed. Okay, so I got this one out and this one out. You can choose either one. I'm gonna choose space key pressed. So let's do that, and there we go. I can also change it by clicking on this. I think space key might be good. Okay, so now let's go to looks and bring out the next costume. Now let's go to control, put the forever block inside it. Like this. So when space key press, forever, next costume. Let's see. What? Way too fast. Slow down. Too fast. Okay, so now let's bring out the wait 1 second. But do you think 1 second might be way too long? So let's change it to 0.3. Oh, let's try it. Yay! He's running! But now since it's forever, do you really want him to run like that? Would he get tired? So let's take out the forever, bring out the repeat 10 times. That in, that inside. Whoa! Stopped. Got tired. Wait and run! And now, instead of you pressing the space again, why not do this? Bring out the wait 1 second and put it underneath it. So before we put it inside, we're now putting it underneath it. Okay, remember that. Now let's do it to wait 2 seconds. No, I don't want it to wait 2 seconds. 1.5. Okay, so now let's save it. Because you want this, don't you? Or no? It's not letting us save. I did that when I was moving. Okay, so now we put that inside. Okay, so it says wait 1.5 seconds, insert. Yay! 10 times, and then waited, and look, my hands are off the keyboard, and wow, can't believe it, Scratch let me down, and I let myself down, because you know why? I forgot the forever, put it outside everything, so the repeat should be inside the next costume, wait 0.3, and this. start. Hands are off. Don't give up, Scratch. No. Yay! Success! First time was a fail, and this time's good. And how cool is that? Well, yay! He's running. Let's see our progress. Yay! Pat yourself on the back. Okay, now, come to think of it, don't you want to make your own sprite and animate it? So let's get to it. So let's keep this, but now let's stop it. And then go to here. It says paint. Click on it, and yeah, you'll get to a blank page. Now, what do you want to animate? I want to make a simple stick man. So let's make a circle. Oh no, he has a purple head. Now let's see. Way too big. This small should be good. I don't want to in there, so let's just click on this. Good. Now let's make his body stick. No wonder they call him the stick man. Right here. Okay, you don't have to be so precise, but yeah. The arms and the arms. The leg and the leg. The eyes. No. Eyes. Yeah, I know, he's not a good stick man. I'm not even good at drawing stick mans. Good. A stick man! Okay, now he's a stick man. He's not doing anything. But to animate it, you need to make more than one costume. So, let's go back here and click on paint, or if you don't want to go all the way there, just go here. Click on paint. Yay, next costume. But you can't change anything. Not that, but his head is purple. Well, it must stay purple. Unless you're making his head change color. Okay, so here we go. Now, body. I don't know, is it a bit tilted? I don't know, so let me just erase all that. And this. And this. Straight. And you know what? Instead of making, oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that. I thought I still made a tiny mark. Okay, good. Now let's see. I want to make his arms go up, so it's pointing up. Yay! He's happy for something. And legs. So look, he made him stand, and then made him jump. Okay. Oh wait, can't believe it, I forgot his face. He doesn't have a face. So, there just doesn't have to be two costumes. If you check out the other sprites on Scratch, it will show more than one sometimes. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, back to the code. Okay, so let's do the same thing we did. But really, do all that code again? Yeah, not gonna happen. So let's open our backpack and put this in. Oh no, why did it go there? Oh yay, it still went in. Okay, go back to sprite 2 and make him show. And make this one not show. Wow, he's humongous, really. Probably make him smaller. 80, how about that? That's better. Okay, let's click on it, bring it out. Yay! Good. Now, yeah, still the same code. You don't have to change anything, so that's good. Let's save it. Project saved. Now, wants to see my sick man jump? Yay! Oh, he's coming forward and jumping. Look. Wow, can't believe it. I made my own sprite and animated it. You can do many other things. Like you probably draw a cat jumping, or I don't know, you can make a dog rolling over. I don't know, it can do so many cool things. So you can go back to costumes and look. Choose a costume, or what happened? Okay, arrow. Yeah, probably an arrow. You can't animate an arrow, can you? Probably can. If you change the color of the arrow, so you can practically animate anything. Okay, we don't need the arrow. So yeah, let's actually choose a costume. So I don't know. Let's go to animals and what happened? Why does this look so weird? Oh, probably because we just animated. If you notice, which I did before, look, the bats are open, close, open, all the way close. So let's choose a bat. This one. This one. This one. So as you can see, it has many costumes. Look, now they're all here. Now let's animate this one too. And let's delete these. Don't need these anymore since we have the bat. Okay, so we have the bat and I have the same code. Let's try it. Let me just save it. Go. Woohoo! Okay. Now really, look at it. He's opened his wings, closed it, and slowed that down a bit. Cause, look, he's opening it. Leaving it open. Okay. Closing. Come on. Look, he's opening it, closing it, open, down, up, close. Really? Do you want him to sleep? If not, you can just do this. So, you can stop. You can go back to costumes and delete this if you want. But if you just want to do 2 of them, you can do this. So you might want to need the repeat, but you actually don't. So you can take out the costumes, put one back in, and go back to looks. And where is it? There it is. Right there. Put it in. It says, which costume in bat D? We don't need bat D, we need bat B. And we're starting off with bat A. So let's try it. Repeat once. Or no, I think I have to try it twice. Good. That's bad B? Really? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well there you go. If you want to repeat 6 times, let's see that. And probably because it's already bad B, it probably won't work. So switch back. Okay, now I think you notice the problem by now. Every single time you do that, it always have to go back to costumes and choose bat A again. So why not go to looks again and bring out switch costume to bat D and switch it to bat A. Now let's try it. Okay, so I noticed another problem. The both costume ones are in the same thingamajiggy code. So let's bring this one out and bring out another lens face legs, and now it should work. Yay! Okay, wait 1 second, probably a really long time. Look, I'm just pressing space key, and yay! Pretty cool, right? Okay, so let's save this. Now we got the bat and the cat. The bat and the cat. Now let's make this one show and move out of the way. This right here. Now let's try it. Yay! Yahoo! Now isn't that fun? Look, the cat's running and the bat's flapping its wings. Pretty cool! So, let's see what you've learned. You've learned how to animate your sprite, make your own sprite and animate it, and make 2 sprites which are animated. Cool, right? So now let's do one more. Probably end the day. Or video. What do you want to call it? And choose a sprite. You know what? I don't want to choose a sprite. Let it be a surprise. So you can choose surprise. Surprise me! Mermaid. Okay, let's see his costumes. That was really unexpected. It's a good surprise. It says this, and this. Okay. So let's go to when this is clicked and bring out forever. And let's go to looks. Next costume. And where is it? Come on. And find it. Oh, there's it. Go. I was looking here. Now, wait 1 second. 0.3 seconds. Let's try it. Okay, let me bring this, wait 1 second down. No, not there. Oh, looks like it has to go there. Okay, so that means we have to bring in the repeat. The repeat. So how many costumes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So repeat 4 times. And wait 1 second. Yay! Congratulations! I'm so happy that you learned something today. Okay, so yeah. Now let's get rid of this thing. Wow, so save something. Nothing. Leave page. Yay! Congratulations, you just learned how to animate your sprite. There's much more to learn on Scratch, so you better stay tuned. See you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!